How can you tell if a woman is genuinely interested in you? Words can be misleading, but actions reveal the reality. In the harsh landscape of dating, grasping the truth requires observing behavior rather than listening to words. Women excel at being subtle, leaving behind hints that may not be immediately clear but are present for those who pay attention. Today, we will explore those hidden cues, the small actions that indicate attraction without her needing to verbalize it. But first, let's be honest. A real man doesn't pursue fantasies. The Stoics remind us to perceive life as it truly is, not as we wish it to be. When you begin to observe her behavior with the same level of clarity, you'll not only grasp her true intentions, but also enhance your own instincts in a world filled with deception. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just know what signs to look for, you'll recognize the truth for what it truly is. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're eager to improve your relationship skills and harness the power of Stoicism in your life, you're in the right spot. Now, let's get straight to the point. If you're trying to determine if a woman is genuinely interested in you, stop focusing on her words. Instead, start observing her actions. The reality of attraction is revealed through her behavior, not her justifications or flattery. True men understand that the game isn't about making assumptions. It's about cutting through the nonsense and recognizing the truth when it presents itself. Let's discuss one of the most significant indicators. The first signal is prolonged eye contact. When a woman is genuinely attracted to you, her eyes will reveal her feelings long before her words can deceive. You may not notice it immediately, but when she truly looks at you, you will sense it. Her gaze lingers, maintaining eye contact longer than usual. In that fleeting moment, everything changes. It's a primal bond. She's not merely glancing, she's connecting with you. This is her soul communicating silently, offering a glimpse into her feelings and a subtle invitation to explore further. This isn't just a casual look, it's a signal ingrained in human nature, a lingering gaze that signifies a profound emotional connection that cannot be faked. Now, reflect on this. Next time you engage with her, maintain eye contact for a bit longer. Don't look away. Don't drop your gaze. This isn't about arrogance, it's about being composed. The Stoics remind us to face reality without delusions or fear. By holding her gaze, you're acknowledging the raw truth of the moment. That eye contact? It's more than just a playful exchange. It's an energetic dialogue. You're demonstrating control, not over her, but over the situation, your feelings, and your grasp of attraction. You don't need to say anything for her to sense that quiet strength. This subtle yet impactful signal is crucial. It lays the groundwork for a deeper emotional connection. Her actions carry more weight than her words. In this life, you either notice the signs or you don't. Once you recognize them, you'll clearly understand your position. Now, let's explore more signs that will uncover her true feelings. Stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's move on to another indicator of whether she's really interested in you. The second signal is open body language. If you've been involved in the manosphere, you know that the real insights often lie in subtle cues and unspoken signals. Women can express themselves verbally, but their body language reveals the truth. When it comes to attraction, their nonverbal cues often convey more than any flattering words. So, what should you observe? Notice her movements and how she positions herself in your presence. If a woman is interested, her body will naturally lean toward you. Does she move closer while you speak? Does her body face you, indicating her full attention? These gestures are intentional. They show she is not just listening, she is eager to connect. Now, focus on her posture. If her arms are relaxed, her shoulders are down, and she seems open, it's a strong sign that she feels at ease with you. She's not creating barriers or trying to pull away. Instead, she's inviting you into her personal space, both physically and emotionally. It's a significant moment when she allows this level of openness, indicating that she trusts you. When you're with her, focus on the actual situation rather than getting lost in fantasies or what you hope to be true. If her body language is open and inviting, it clearly indicates attraction, not a game or false expectations. Now, let's discuss something that is unmistakable when it comes to attraction. The third signal is an easy laugh. This may seem straightforward, but if you're not attentive, you might overlook the valuable insights hidden in a woman's laughter. It's not merely about her enjoying your jokes, it's about her reactions during those moments. If she laughs genuinely, even at your silliest remarks, then you're on the right track. Laughter is one of the most instinctive ways people bond. It's a shared experience, a momentary escape from the facades we maintain. When a woman laughs freely around you, it signifies that she feels at ease and is lowering her defenses. She's not putting on an act. She truly appreciates your company. Consider this. Humor is one of the quickest ways to ease tension and establish a connection. It cuts through distractions and forms a link between the two of you. She's inviting you into her space, which is a unique chance. Let's be honest for a moment. In a world where many wear masks and conceal their true selves, a woman laughing with you is significant. It shows she's not just going through the motions, she's genuinely involved. Women typically don't laugh freely around men they don't feel at ease with. That laughter is a strong sign of her interest. It's not merely a response to humor, but reflects the connection she senses in your presence. So, the next time you share a joke or a clever comment, notice her reaction. Is she laughing as if it's the funniest thing ever, or is she just being courteous? Her laughter reveals everything you need to understand. It's the unfiltered reality. She's either engaged and interested, or merely putting on a show. And believe me, you want the former. That laugh serves as her form of expression. I find you interesting, and I want to delve deeper. Let's take this conversation further. Now, let's address one clear sign that a woman is attracted to you. The fourth signal is casual touches. I can imagine your thoughts. A simple tap on the arm? That's insignificant. But let me clarify. It carries meaning. Frequent, small physical interactions are strong signs of a deeper attraction. Notice her actions the next time you're together. Does she gently brush her hand against yours? Does she tap your arm while making a point? Or maybe she playfully bumps into you, acting as if it's an accident. These seemingly innocent interactions are far from trivial. She's gauging your response, assessing your comfort with her proximity. More importantly, she's determining if you can handle her attention. Here's the reality. Women don't initiate this type of touch unless they feel safe, comfortable, and possibly interested in something more. Most women don't touch every man they meet. These gestures are deliberate. She uses touch to create a bond, fostering intimacy and conveying, "I enjoy being with you." Perhaps even more than that. This isn't about a romantic fantasy, it's a reflection of human nature. Touch is a fundamental, instinctual way to communicate. It signals her openness to the possibility of something deeper. If you overlook this or fail to respond, you risk losing her interest. That casual touch indicates she's willing to get close, but it also asks if you can handle it. Don't let these moments pass you by. Her touch isn't just a friendly gesture, it's a test. Your reaction to her proximity reveals a lot about your character and masculinity. If you miss the cue, you could lose the chance to develop a deeper connection, and she may seek someone who understands. So, stay alert. Each small touch or brush against your skin is a message. If she's willing to cross that physical line, she's clearly indicating, "I'm open to more." Are you prepared for that? This is your moment to decide whether to engage or retreat. Now, I want to hear from you. Share in the comments one thing you've noticed a woman do that made you think, yes, she's interested in me. If you've experienced that connection, say, "I've felt the connection." Let's discuss it. I'm eager to hear your insights. Let's discuss a significant indicator that distinguishes casual interest from something more substantial. We've explored the first 4 signals of a woman is deeply attracted to you. But this is only half the picture. In the next part, we'll dive into the remaining 3 signals to help you gain a deeper understanding of her behavior. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the continuation.